Can anybody tell me what are dependent and independent variables in research? Ji Wafa.
Sir, these are variables that are studied to find out the cause and effect. And independent variable is the cause and dependent variable the effect.
Very well. Have a seat. Now, who can tell me what is correlation in research? Mason? Mason? Mason?
सर कुछ पूछ रहे हैं।
क्या पूछ रहे हैं?
Correlation research.
जी सर, relationships. Oh sir, correlation. That's when two relationships come together.